Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're doing fine. Today Pastor Carlton is learning Urdu alphabet. Yes, Urdu alphabet, but some of them he knows already. Yes, he knows already. So,
I'm still learning, guys. These letters are not easy at all. It's totally different from Shona. It's totally different from English. Even Spanish, I know a little
yes,
bit of
yes.
Spanish. It's totally different. Just imagine, just look at these letters. Just look at this alphabet. It's like patterns.
No, it's not a pattern. It's our alphabets. So we start from right to left,
Okay.
and also we write right to left.
All right. All right. So you mean you read from right to left
Mm-hmm.
and you write from right to left.
Left, yes.
All right. I think let's start to learn now.
Yes. So let's start.
Alif,
Mm.
be,
Mm.
pe,
Mm.
te,
Mm.
te,
Mm.
se.
Nice job.
Huh?
Nice job.
Okay, well.
Perfect.
All right.
Mm.
Guys, just imagine this language. These are patterns, guys. These are really, really patterns. It's not easy. Yes, so in Urdu, you read from right to left, right? And then we write also from right to left.
Left.
All
Yes.
right. Let me do it again. Alif, be, pe, te, te, se. I forgot.
Jean.
Jin, che, se, he,
Yes. He.
se,
He.
he, sle, he,
He. He.
he. Hey, what's the difference?
No, there is
Two
a
letters.
different. So I say Jim che he he.
It's a he,
He.
he. All right. Jim,
Che,
che,
he,
he, he.
he.
It's like I want to speak in Ndebele now.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Jim, che, he, he. He.
Yes.
All right. Alif. Which one is Alif? Alif, be, pe, te, te, se, jim, che, he, he.
Perfect. Nice job.
Guys.
Nobody's doing perfect. It's not Pakai Pa, I don't think.
Oh. All right. So I don't know, you guys, what do you think? I'm sure that you are learning together this language. We really need to encourage each other. But I'm trying my level best. Am I doing well?
Yes, yes. But this one, you got it perfectly.
All right. Jim, che, he,
He. Perfect.
Yes.
See?
Jim, che, he.
He.
Let me do it again for the last time.
Okay.
Alif, be,